It was time that I joined the rest of the team and made my way over to Kosovo. The Semtex they were offering was special. It didn't have any of the telltale chemical markers that would alert airport security. It was effectively untraceable. They knew, and I knew, that this would make the perfect terrorist weapon. Kosovo is the poorest area in former Yugoslavia, and Pristina, its capital, has the feel of a frontier town. There are more police forces here than anywhere else in the world, but it still feels lawless. That night in Sinbad's relative's villa, just across the road from the British ambassador's residence, we waited for the drop-off.
Okay, Michael. I'm Michael. No surname. What's your name?
I was posing as Michael, the boss, and had sent word ahead that I would only meet Hulji for the final handover.
Good. Michael, this is Sinbad.
How are you doing? Nice to meet you. How are you doing? Good. Thanks very much for looking after us. Now, this is the plastic that you asked.
Sinbad had come alone. I needed to find out what happened to Hulji.
Hulji wants to do a business with you. He don't want hostages or other things, you know. Hulji believes me on board, you know, because otherwise this stupid idiot, he's very fast, you know. He has without, like, he's with plastic, he lost in the mine, you know. But I had to engage somebody else to watch my bag, actually, you know,
sure.
Because of them, you know, and then I had to...
Just a little bit, tiny bit.
Then he started again, you know, to complain, and they were he's with 6 guys, you know.
Paul, do you want to light that?
And they had a gun, I had a gun, and I know that he has more than 40 killings.
The signature of Semtex, a blue flame.
It's a matter of the colour of the flame. That's it?
Yeah.
This was the real thing.
Excellent.
We had a deal for 50,000, not for 15,000.
Well, the thing about it is that business is business. And the way it is that we'll do a small deal first, we trust, we test, we're nobody's idiot.
And I guarantee actually for you, you know, I guarantee for all of you, you know. He said, okay, are you giving your Land Rover? I said, okay, I can give to you. And then he take the car for 6 days. Electronic is not working, nothing there. You know how the motherfuckers drive the car, you know. Somebody must kill him, actually, if I know a lot about them. During the war massacres, you know, maybe he will go to The Hague. Who knows?
What do you think?
We paid €1,000 a kilo, just over £80 a stick. It had taken just 3 of these sticks to blow up the Pan Am jumbo jet over Lockerbie, killing 270 people. And we had over 100. By buying the Semtex, we had effectively taken it out of the black market, safe from criminal and terrorist hands. And we were one step closer to exposing Hulji.
5.
Well, we've just packed away all the Semtex, but these guys are shysters and always quick to make a fast buck, so they seemingly were a couple of sticks short. And we have found a bit of lead in various little hidden compartments down here. So I'm just going to weigh and see just how much they cheated us out of. So this may be a very good bargaining position for us. Let's just take a little. So we had 15k. 3, 2. So I suppose with the weight of the... We're looking 1.5 kilos short. Now, it's neither here nor there. These guys were supplying us, you know, Semtex. We know it's Semtex. But this will be an interesting bargaining position for us. And we can use that to strengthen our position, show that we're serious players as we go off and see what else is on offer.